In this video, we will explore the card and cremation day lists. The first step is to create the special surgeons within the diary screen. Navigate to this area by selecting Diary, and now selecting the Surgeons tab. Next, we want to select Add Surgeon from the top left of the screen and begin the surgeon creation process. The key to this surgeon creation is ensuring we select the correct surgeon type from the drop-down list, and in this example we're going to create the cremation list, so we would select Cremation. We need to tick for them to display in the diary, but we do not need them to be displayed in the treatment list. We also don't want to link them to a user, as we only link standard surgeons to real-life users. Now enter the first name and the surname and press Save. Once the special surgeon has been created, we're able to navigate to the cremation day list by the day list icon on the primary navigation on the left-hand side and selecting Cremation List. From here, we are able to see the digital checklist available, enabling users to keep track of what stage of the process they are at. To mark a stage as complete, we first select the patient by clicking once, and this will highlight them. We then use the icons along the top here to move the status along to the next stage. Once we have reached the stage of owner collected, the patient will disappear from this screen and now will only be visible when we select the Show Collected tick box to keep the in progress versus the complete separate. The setup process for the card list is exactly the same, and when we navigate into the card day list, again via day list and card list, we can see the digital checklist displayed here too. This also works in the same way as cremation list, whereby patients will disappear from the main list once at the stage of card sent, and then will be displayed only when the Show Sent Cards box is ticked. To add patients to these day lists, there are three options. They can be manually sent by going into the patient record and clicking the Send To option on the right-hand side of the screen, and then selecting the relevant day list. From the diary, they can be added to the special surgeon diary column, which in turn will put them onto the day list. And there is also the option to create an automatic workflow so users are prompted to add the patient to the day list once a certain medication or service has been dispensed. And this is done via code entry. To set this up, navigate to Administration, Code Entry and Code Maintenance. Now select the appropriate treatment type of euthanasia, and in this example, we are going to select Individual Cremation Cat and press Edit. Now navigate to the Send To options, and now we are going to use the arrows in the middle of the screen to move over the day list relevant to the action we want to perform. So for this code, we are going to select to move the cremation and the card list over to the right-hand side, and then save. Once saved, if we apply this code to a patient record, Merlin will automatically prompt a user to add the patient to these specific day lists, reducing the need for manual movement as described in the other two options.